Stop. Before you continue memorizing vocabulary lists, before you open another grammar book, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever been in a real English conversation and suddenly heard someone say, "I get it. Get ready. I'll get back to you. Get over it," and your brain just freezes?
You know the word get. You learnt it means receive. But suddenly, it means everything and nothing.
You think, why does this one small word change every time?
And inside, you feel confused, slow, left behind.
Here's the truth most learners never hear.
Your problem is not English.
Your problem is not your memory.
Your problem is not pronunciation.
Your problem is this: you learned English from books,
But English lives in conversations.
and today we fix that.
Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
I'm Anna.
And I'm David.
Today, you are not memorizing meanings.
You are learning how Americans really use the word get.
At home, at work, with friends, in real life.
Listen carefully, then repeat out loud.
Don't translate.
Don't overthink.
Just speak.
Let's start very simple.
Short sentences, clear meaning.
Repeat after me.
I get up early.
I get up early.
I get ready for work.
I get ready for work.
I get coffee.
I get coffee.
I get tired.
I get tired.
I get home at night.
I get home at night.
I get a message.
I get a message.
Good.
You are not learning get.
You are using it.
Now let's make it more natural.
Still simple, more real.
Repeat.
I get up early every weekday.
I get up early every weekday.
I get ready quickly in the morning.
I get ready quickly in the morning.
I usually get coffee before work.
I usually get coffee before work.
I get tired in the afternoon.
I get tired in the afternoon.
I get late sometimes.
I get late sometimes.
I get messages in English every day.
I get messages in English every day.
Notice this.
Get means receive, become, arrive.
One word, many lives.
Now we move to real conversations.
This is how people actually speak.
Repeat naturally.
I didn't get your message earlier.
I didn't get your message earlier.
Can you say that again? I didn't get it.
Can you say that again? I didn't get it.
I get nervous when I speak English.
I get nervous when I speak English.
But I get better every day.
But I get better every day.
When do you get off work?
When do you get off work?
I'll get back to you later.
I'll get back to you later.
That's real English.
Simple, fast, human.
Now let's sound confident.
Not perfect, confident.
Repeat.
I used to get confused by this word.
I used to get confused by this word.
Now I get how it works.
Now I get how it works.
If I don't understand, I ask again.
If I don't understand, I ask again.
I don't get embarrassed anymore.
I don't get embarrassed anymore.
Mistakes help me get better.
Mistakes help me get better.
Confidence comes from use.
Not from rules.
Now listen carefully.
Shadow smoothly. There was a time when I didn't get real conversations at all.
There was a time when I didn't get real conversations at all.
People spoke fast, used short phrases, and I felt lost.
People spoke fast, used short phrases, and I felt lost.
Once I started using words like get naturally, things changed.
Once I started using words like get naturally, things changed.
I stopped translating and started responding.
I stopped translating and started responding.
That's when English started to flow.
That's when English started to flow.
At this level,
You don't think about words.
you just get the meaning.
Language becomes instinct.
You don't ask, what does get mean?
You feel it.
You get the idea.
You get the emotion.
You get the message. If this word scared you before,
Remember this moment.
you just used get in dozens of sentences.
Out loud.
Without fear.
That's progress.
Do this daily.
Repeat. Shadow. Speak.
And one day,
You won't think about English.
you'll just get it.
Subscribe to Speak English Daily.
Because real English is not learned.
It's lived.